Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about telepathic feedback loops. Let's look at this in a very simple way. How do you improve any skill? You try something, you observe what happened, and then you adjust. That cycle is called a feedback loop. And today, we are going to apply this to your practice. First of all, what is a feedback loop? A feedback loop is a simple process. You take an action, you observe the result, you learn from it, and you adjust your next attempt. Then repeat. This is how your brain naturally improves anything. Why this matters here. In this course, you are working with focus, thought signals, perception, interaction with others. These are subtle skills. So instead of asking, did it work or not, we ask, what exactly happened? Because that's where learning is. Next is the telepathic feedback loop. Let's break it into a clear cycle. First step, send or receive. You practice sending a thought or receiving an impression. Second step, observe your experience. Notice, what did I feel? What did I see or think? Was my mind clear or distracted? Third step, compare. If practicing with a partner, check, was there a match? Was it partial? Was it completely different? No judgment, just observation. Step 4. Adjust gently based on what you noticed. Was your thought unclear? Then simplify it. Were you distracted? Calm your mind and then try again. Were you forcing? Relax more. Just do some small adjustments. Next step is repeat. Try again, try again. Do this n number of times, and with slightly better clarity, better approach, you will definitely improve. Next, the most important shift. This is very important. Don't think in terms of success versus failure. Think in terms of feedback. Every result gives you information. Even when nothing matches, you are still learning how your mind behaves, where your attention goes, what affects your clarity. Keeping it healthy. When practicing with someone, stay supportive, stay curious, avoid pressure. Instead of saying that didn't work, say, interesting, let's try again differently. This keeps your mind open. Next is what you'll start noticing. As you use feedback loops consistently, you will begin to see patterns like when your focus is strong, results feel clearer. When your mind is busy, impressions become random. When you are relaxed, perception improves, and this awareness accelerates your progress. Next is a simple practice framework. For each session, try, observe, adjust, and repeat. Even for 5 to 10 minutes, this is enough. You don't need perfect results, you need clear feedback because feedback leads to awareness, and awareness leads to improvement. So treat every session as learning, not testing. In the next lesson, we'll make this even more structured, tracking accuracy in a scientific approach so you can measure your progress clearly and objectively. I'll see you there.